Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our physics class. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Yesterday we are discussing about the motion. What is motion? Motion is nothing but just a movement of body. Okay, the movement of body. In earlier classes we also learn about the state of rest and state of motion. What is state of rest? When the body is when the body does not change the position with respect to time, then the body is in state of rest position. Okay, here second one is rest of state of rest. What is state of motion? What is state of motion? The body is change the position with respect to time, then the body is in state of motion. Okay, here the two passenger is there are also state of rest. Okay, only car is traveling. The two passenger driver and passenger is also state of rest position, and whereas the car is moving, the car is state of motion. Okay, the uniform circular, yesterday we also learned about uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. Okay, what is uniform circular motion? The bodies travel equal distance in equal interval of time. What is uniform definition? The bodies travel equal distances in equal interval of time. Here A to B is 2 meter and B to C is 2 meter. It take equal time to travel A to B is 1 second, to travel B to C is 1 second. Okay, this is when the bodies travel from A to B, 2 meter, B to C is 2 meter. It take the same time, 1 second and 1 second. Okay, when the bodies travel equal distances in equal interval of time, this is a uniform motion. Okay, whereas the non-uniform motion is, what is non-uniform motion? The non-uniform motion means the bodies travel equal distance but unequal interval of time. Okay, the body, what here the bodies travel from A to B, take 2 meter, it take 1 second. Okay, ma'am. When the bodies travel from B to C is 2 meter only, but it take 2 second. Okay, this is an example of non-uniform motion. Okay, in yesterday's class we also learned about the uniform circular motion. What is uniform circular motion? A body is travel in a circular path. The body is travel in a circular path. Here is a uniform. The bodies travel circular path with constant speed. Okay, the uniform circular motion means the bodies travel in a circular path with constant speed, then the body is in uniform circular motion. Okay, then the body is in uniform circular motion. Here the at every in circular motion, at every point the direction of velocity is different. Okay, here at the linear motion there is no change in direction. Okay, only one direction, but in the circular path at every point the direction is changes. Every point direction is changes means the direction is changes, the velocity also, the velocity of the body is also changes. Today's our new topic is acceleration. Okay, what is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity. What is meant by acceleration? Acceleration means rate of change of velocity of the body. What is mean that if the body is travel to A to B, okay, A to B, how many times the body is change its velocity? We have to measure with the help of acceleration. क्या है इसका मतलब, अगर एक बॉडी ए से लेकर डी तक ट्रैवल कर दी तो इसके बीच में कितने बार अपनी वेलोसिटी को चेंज करी होंगी, कितने बार अपनी वेलोसिटी को चेंज करी होंगी, वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन के फॉर्मूले से हम लोग फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि फ्रॉम ए से लेकर डी तक उन कितने बार अपनी वेलोसिटी को चेंज करी. ओके, एक्सेलरेशन इज मेजर द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी. ओके, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी. Here is the acceleration is, it is defined as the rate of change of velocity of body with time. Okay, time के साथ वो कितने बार अपनी velocity को change करी होंगी. Okay, it is defined as the rate of change of velocity of body with time. Okay, another example is the change in velocity per second. Okay, time के साथ अपनी कितनी velocity change करी, ये भी same definition है. It is also a same definition. Let us take the one example to understand the acceleration. Okay, here is A, here is B, and here C. Okay, this is a 3 position. Okay, at first position, at initial position. I'm taking the A and B now. First I am observing the these two. Okay, no, only these two we have to observe, and we have to find the acceleration between two. Okay, here A is at position and B is also in position. Okay, the body is in rest. First A initial position, the body is in rest position now. Rest position, the velocity of rest position is the velocity of initial velocity is 0 ma, the last and the final velocity 4 meter per second. Okay, and the second from B to C, if we observe these two numbers, then the velocity is initial velocity is 4 meter per second and final velocity is 8 meter per second. Okay, the change in velocity, first we have to change in the velocity. We have to find first the change in the velocity, then divided by time. Okay, then divided by time. Acceleration, what is meant by acceleration? Acceleration means rate of change of velocity by time. Acceleration means rate of change of velocity by time. Okay, first we have to find the change velocity. We have to find the first formula. First we have to know about what change velocity formula. Okay, change velocity formula means final velocity minus initial velocity. Final, if you observe these two, then final velocity minus initial velocity. Okay, what is the final velocity? We are considered the final velocity as v. Okay, so we are considering final velocity v, and initial velocity is u. Okay, the formula change in velocity is v minus u. Okay, what is the acceleration formula? Acceleration formula become rate of change of velocity, means rate of change of velocity, this formula, by time. Okay, by time means A, acceleration is denoted by A, is equals to what is change of velocity, rate of change of velocity formula, we get v minus u. V minus u, as it is, the time is denoted by time. This is the formula of acceleration. This is the formula of acceleration. Here what is u ma? U is initial. U is initial velocity. Okay, what is v? V is final velocity. Okay, final velocity. U is initial velocity, v is final velocity, t is time taken. Okay, to understand these two formulas, let's we have to measure the rate of change of velocity and acceleration of A and B. Okay, here A and B we have to find the first change in velocity from to A and B. Okay, change in, what is the formula of change in velocity? Initial velocity minus final velocity minus initial velocity. Okay, what is the formula? Final velocity minus initial velocity. Okay, we are donating the final velocity is v and initial velocity is u. Okay, what we get? Final velocity is 4 meter and initial velocity is 0, means 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, we get the velocity is change in velocity is 4. Okay, 4 meter per second. And acceleration, just we have to find the acceleration. What is the formula of acceleration? Acceleration is rate change in velocity, the change in with this value divided by time. Just we have to do the change in velocity, just we have to divide the time value. Okay, here the AB is equals to change in velocity formula divided by time, v minus u. What we get? The v minus u value, we get the v minus u value is 4. What is the time between A and B? The time is 2 seconds. Okay, time is 2 seconds, means 2 I am dividing with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. What we get? 2 meter per second. Okay, next we are try to finding the from B to C. First we have to do, don't go the directs to find the acceleration, just we have to find, don't go to find the acceleration. Just we have to find the change in velocity, then acceleration. Okay, well, first we have to find the change in velocity. Change in velocity, what is the change in velocity formula? The final velocity minus initial velocity. Here from A to B, what is the final velocity, ma'am? Final velocity is 4 meter per second and initial velocity final velocity is 8 meter per second and the initial velocity is 4 meter per second. Just you have to substitute this value in the formula. What is final velocity? V. Final velocity is 8 meter per second. I am observing these two now. This is one final and this is one initial. When observing these two, the final velocity is and initial is this. Okay, just we have to observe these two. That's why it changed to final to initial. Okay, final velocity is 8 meter. The final velocity is 8 meter and minus is as it is. Minus is as it is. And initial velocity is now. What is the initial velocity here? 4 meter per second. Okay, when we subtracting the 8 minus 4, we get 4. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, we get 4 ma. To find the acceleration, okay, to find the acceleration, what is our formula ma? V minus u by t. V minus u by t. What is v minus u? We get now v minus u means change the velocity. What we get? We get the 4. We can subtract. We can substitute, either we can write the direct. Okay, 8 minus 0. What is final velocity ma? Final velocity is what we get ma? V minus u. V minus u get the 4 value. Just you have to find the acceleration. To find the acceleration, we have to know about what is v minus u. V minus u is 4 ma. Okay, v minus, what is the acceleration formula? Acceleration is v minus u, final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Okay, what we get? V minus u. V minus u, we get the 4 and the time is b to 4 na. B to c is 4 meter per second. Okay, just we have to divide the whole value with 4. Here is v minus u is 4 na. What we get? The time is b to c is 4 meter 4 seconds. Okay ma. 4 ones are get cancelled. We get the one answer. The acceleration from B to C, what we get? The acceleration B to C is 1 meter per second. Okay, today's class is completed ma. Just you have to complete your notes. This is acceleration notes and submit in the group. Okay, thank you.